Alert to students. Today the topic is standard deviation. First, what is standard deviation? The author of the standard deviation is Carl Pearson. In 1923, the standard deviation introduced. It is known as the root mean square deviation from the reason. It is square root of the mean of the square deviation from the arithmetic mean. The standard deviation measures the spread out the data about the mean value. It is very useful in comparating of data. It is denoted by the Greek letter sigma. This is the standard deviation symbol. In standard deviation, we have three methods: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. Today's section is individual series. Also, we know about what is individual. For a given set of n observation, only values is x1, x2, dot or xn. Then the standard deviation sigma represent. The formula is sigma equal to square root of summation x square divided by small n minus summation x by n the whole square. It is an individual claim. We have to utilize only the small n. Small n equal to number of observation. I repeat the formula. Standard deviation individual formula is sigma equal to square root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. And its coefficient of variation. It's a measure of dispersion topic. Absolute measure is standard deviation and its relative measure is coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation formula is calculated by sigma divided by x bar into n. CV represent the coefficient of variance in sigma represents standard deviation and x bar equal to arithmetic mean. CV is very useful for the comparative study of the data. We see the problem. First one, find the standard deviation for the given data: 45, 36, 40, 37, 39, 42, 45, 35, 40, 39. Now see how to calculate the standard deviation. The given problem is individual series. The individual series standard deviation formula is square root of summation x squared by n minus summation x by n the whole square. Using this formula, we have to formulate the tabulation. So in this table, we need x total and x square total. So in the table, நமக்கு தேவை x ஓட total and x square total. So we have to create the table of x and x square. First, we fill the x value. The x values 45, 36, 40, 37, 39, 42, 45, 35, 40, 39. The given problem. Then we need the x square total. So we have to form the x square value. First, 45 square value 2025 and 36 value 1296, 40 value 1600, 37 square value 1369 and 39 value 1521 and 42 value 42 square value 1764 and 45 square value 2025 and 35 square value 1225 and 40 square value 1600 and then 39 square value 1521. Then we have to get total of the x and x square value. First x order total 45 plus 36 plus 40 plus 37 plus 39 plus 42 plus 45 plus 35 plus 40 plus 39. So total of x summation x equal to 398 and x square total. X square total 2025 plus 1296 plus 1600 plus 1369 plus 1521 plus 1764 plus 2025 plus 12225 plus 1600 plus 1521. The total of x square equal 15946. Then substitute these values in formula. So the square root of 15946 divided by 10 minus 398 divided by 10 the whole square. The x square total and substitute the x total. N equal to number of term. The given data, the n equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1594 divided by 10 equal to 1594.6 and 390 by 10 equal 39.8. Square the values and subtract it. The value is 10.56 and they're taking the square root. Therefore, the given problem, the standard deviation is 3.25. The standard deviation represents symbol is sigma equal to 3.25. So, individual standard deviation formula is square root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. So, for individual series from tabulation, we need create the table of x and x square total. And we see the how to calculate the coefficient of variation. The coefficient of variation is sigma divided x bar into 100. CV is the most important topic, very useful for the comparing data. So in this already we know about the sigma value. Now we have to calculate the x bar. This is the individual series. So individual series x bar equal to summation x by n. So we know the summation x total of x value. So 15946 n equal to number of terms. So 115 so 1000 of 594.6. So then we calculate the CV. CV equal to, we know the standard deviation value 3.25 and x bar equal to 1594.6 into 100. Divide and multiply and CV is 0.204. So standard deviation is the absolute measure and coefficient of variation is a relative measure. Thank you.